Shaping sourdough bread can be kind of tricky, and there's a lot of different ways to do it. So, I wanted to share my method that I do, and this is one I made up. What I do is I start by dabbing a little bit of flour on top of the dough ball, and then I'll flip it over and use both hands to kind of plop it down until it forms into a triangular shape. And then I'll take the top of that triangle and fold it down into the center and take the bottom two sides of the triangle and fold it into each other like that. And then do the same with the new triangle that forms up top. And from there, I roll it over itself into a dough burrito and then pinch the sides like this. Now, I find this to be the easiest method. I call it the double triangle method. I made that name up myself, so don't bother Googling it. But once it's in the Banneton here, I like to just stitch it up so that there's no holes or opening along the dough seam. And just to show you that process again, I'm going to flour up another dough ball here and flip it over and then grab both sides, plop it down until I get a decent triangle shape, and then take the top of the triangle and bring it down and take the two sides, bring them in, and then you can see there's a new triangle. Grab those sides and bring them in, and then roll it into a dough burrito. Now, there are a lot of different ways to shape bread, and I'm sure some of you have watched a few different videos on this and have seen a few different techniques that people use. There's really no right or wrong way to do it. It's just whatever works best and is easy for you to consistently do. Have you ever wondered what happens when you don't shape your bread? Well, I happen to have a baking experiment on that on my channel if you want to know. It might surprise you. Happy baking, everyone.